I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to work Baby Hal. The big thing about Baby Hal is you wanna make sure that he is plugged in and that the tablet is plugged in at all times. We will have him set up in the postpartum room. So how you turn it on is you just go over here to the side and there's a power on button and you're gonna go ahead and push it and it lights up green. And it takes a little bit of time for it to turn on. So you're going to take the little pencil here and you're going to go ahead and click on the uni. So you're just going to double click on it and it's going to go ahead and pull up, and it does take a little bit of time because he's an older model. Now right here it keeps saying that it's a different wireless. Would you like to connect to the last known? You're going to go ahead and say yes because we want it to connect to the simulator. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and click on Newborn Hal, and it's already clicked on the Quick Start Newborn, so you're just going to go ahead and click on the Start button. And he takes a little bit longer because he's an older gentleman, so he'll be up and running. Okay, so it's going to pull it up, and when it pulls it up, you're actually going to see where it's going to be communicating with the simulator. As you can see, he starts taking a breath when he starts becoming connected to the tablet. And then now you can actually go ahead and program. You can see that he's having chest rise and fall. A little helpful hint, I like to click on here because it goes ahead and changes the heart rate and the respiratory rate now. I would recommend having a heart rate less than 140. We notice that when he's running for a long period of time, his heart rate starts decreasing. So I like to put on 120, 128, anything less than 140. And then you're just gonna go ahead and click the check button, and that's going to go ahead and do your heart rate at 128. For respiratory, you just click on the respiratory. It's going to bring up the number. Again, you can put it on whatever you would like. I'll go ahead and set it on 40 and check it. So the baby is now set for a 40 respiratory rate and a heart rate of 128. And what you can do is in between students, you can actually suspend him by pushing this button, and it pauses him so that it can conserve the battery. We noticed that with his battery, he's unable to run more than 30 minutes, so that's why it's important to suspend him in between students. We also recommend that you do 2 students at a time. One student can listen to the heart rate, while the other student is looking at the rise and fall of the chest and counting respiratory rate. So once you are done with that, you can see I'll have him breathing again by clicking on it, and he starts up again. So how you close this out is you just want to click on the X, and then it says, do you want to save the session? No, we don't want to save it. And it closes it out, and then you just go ahead and click on the little Microsoft, and you're just going to hit on shut down. And that is how you are going to turn him off. So that is Baby Hal. Thank you so much.